here who were absolutely ecstatic. What they're doing is waving and saying thank you, and they're clapping. So Chris Cobile is a photographer, has gotten a guy here, a neighbor who's going to explain to us exactly what's going on. Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
What's your name?
Roberto.
Roberto.
Yes.
Tell me what you saw. This was an incredible night.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's in front of my house, and this is unbelievable. I never see. I have my camera in the car, and I take it off, and I see all cops guy running over here inside the building. It's crazy.
You heard the gunfire, right?
Yes, I saw the guns and the shot guys. A lot over here. Yeah.
Were you scared today? You must have been scared.
Yes, a lot. My girlfriend, she's crying all the time because it's in the front of my house. You know what I mean? It's crazy.
Of all the places in the world for this to have come to an end, it's literally in your front yard.
Yes, I'm from Brazil. I live here for 11 years. It's crazy because in front of my house, I call my family in Brazil and say this. It's all in my front, you know what I mean?
And people in Brazil had heard about this. This is international.
Yes,
obviously.
of course. Yes.
What are you feeling now? I feel like it would be a sense of relief, but is that what it is?
I'm so happy now because the cops take these guys, you know what I mean? That terrible. And I feel so good right now because it's around the neighborhoods over here, you know what I mean? That's good.
You all came out. I heard you applauding and clapping and cheering, saying thank you to the police.
Thank you for everyone, cops. It's good for us. Thank you.
Tremendous for us. Thank you so much. I'll let you go back and celebrate some more.